In 2020, I walked away from my entire life with nothing but a carrier bag. No car, no job, not even my own clothes. But the truth is, I had already lost myself long before that moment. My self-worth, my instincts, my ability to trust my own no. I wasn't weak. I was trained to abandon myself in the name of love and survival, and it cost me everything. So I walked, no backup plan, no safety net, just the decision that staying was no longer an option. This channel is for the people standing at that same threshold, whether you've already left or your soul has already gone, even if your body hasn't caught up yet. For anyone silently rebuilding from zero, boundaries, identity, power, on your own terms this time. I am not here to motivate you. I am here to remind you who you actually are and why you never belonged in the life that broke you. Welcome to Queen of Boundaries. Welcome to the rebuild.